What I'm about to tell you is what most chicken farmers don't want to hear. Forget everything you think you know about chicken farming, because most of it is quietly draining your money. That's why you are not growing in your poultry farm. Every day you wake up early, clean houses, buy expensive feeds, lose birds, struggle to sell, and still you call it normal. But let me be honest with you. Chicken farming is not failing you. You are failing the system by farming emotionally, blindly, and without numbers. If you ever said the market is bad, feeds are expensive, or chickens are dying, this video is for you. Now, let me show you the 5 truths most chicken farmers hate to hear, but the ones who make money understand them very well in this video. But before we proceed, please let me know where you are watching this video from, either the county or the country, in case you are outside the Republic of Kenya. And thank you so much. Finally, we have hit 10,000 subscribers. This was our target, and thank you so much. Now, our next target is 50,000 subscribers. Now, if you have not subscribed, hit this button and let me show you the 5 truths that most chicken farmers don't want to be told. The first truth about chicken farming is that hard work does not mean profit. The lie most farmers believe is that when you work very hard, money will just come. But let us see the reality. Chicken farming is numbers, not sweat. Let us do a simple math. Example is 100 broilers. Day old chicks is 150 Kenyan shillings. So you are buying the chicks at 15,000 Kenyan shillings. That's 100 broilers. One bird consumes 4.5 kgs of feeds until maturity. So your 100 broilers will consume 450 kgs. 1 kg is 65 Kenyan shillings. That is 29,250 money for birds. Vaccines, meds, beddings, water, electricity, we are giving it 3,000. So the total cost is 47,250. Now let us sell our birds. Average live weight is 2.0 kgs. Selling price in Kenya is 300 Kenya shillings per bird. Assuming that we will have 5% mortality, that means 95 birds will survive. So our income will be 95 birds times 300. What do you get? 28,500. Minus that and see the loss that you have made. That is 18,750 loss. You worked very hard, right? But you still lost the money. What's the lesson here? The lesson is that effort without proper planning is just expensive labor. Number 2. Feed companies are winning. Of course not you. That's the painful truth. The painful truth is that most chicken farmers are working for feed companies. Did you know that feed is 60 to 70% of total cost in chicken production? This is the hidden killer, is that the feed conversion ratio. Good feed conversion ratio is 1.6 to 1.8. Average farmers feed cost ratio is 2.3 to 2.6. That means that if a bird should eat 3.5 kgs but eats 5 kgs, extra feed is 1.5 kgs. So 1.5 times 65 Kenya shillings, that is 97.50 lost per bird. For 1,000 birds, you take 97 times 1,000. What do you get? 97,500 gone silently. And most farmers don't measure feed daily. They change feeds randomly, one feed to make them grow faster. The reality is that feeds don't fail you, but your management does. The hard truth number 3 is that big numbers don't mean big money, because farmers love saying, I have 2,000 chicks, but they never say how much profit they are making those 2,000. Compare two farmers. Farmer A with 2,000 birds and profit per bird is 20 shillings. Total profit is 40,000 Kenyan shillings. But farmer B with 300 birds, profit per bird is 200 shillings. Total profit is 60,000 shillings. So farmer B has less stress, lower mortality, better control, more cash flow. Truth farmers hate is that scaling a broken system only scales losses. Number 4, most farmers have no market. This is the biggest silent killer. Typical farmer process, they buy chicks, raise birds, pray for buyers. That is gambling, that's not farming. Market reality is that middlemen wait for desperation. They wait until you are desperate. Between week 6 to week 7, you do what is called panic selling. Prices drop when everyone is selling. For example, plant selling price is 350 Kenyan shillings. Actual panic price is 260. The difference that you made 90 shillings loss. For 100 birds, you made 45,000 lost. Smart farmers secure buyers before chicks. They sell in batches and diversify, live, slaughtered, or dressed. The truth is that the market is bad. Usually means that nilianza bila mpango. It means that you started without planning when you keep saying the market is bad. Number 5, that chicken farming is not a passion. It is a business, literally a business. This one hurts feelings, right? Emotional farming mistakes, keeping sick birds too long, over-vaccinating just in case, refusing to cull weak birds, feeding extra out of pity. Every emotional decision is equals to financial loss. Business-minded farmers do culling early. They track daily feed intake. They know breakdown, even the points. They stop a bad cycle early. Hard truth is that if you can't make very hard decisions, then chicken farming will make them for you. That is the brutal truth. Now let me tell you something. Most chicken farmers don't fail because they are lazy. They fail because they were never taught the truth. Chicken farming can make money, very serious money, but only if you treat it like a business, not a gamble, not a passion project, and not a village competition. If you want to compete, find something else. So if this video helped you to see the difference, subscribe. If it offended you, subscribe anyway, because growth starts with discomfort, okay? And tell me again in the comment section, which county or country are you watching this video from? Until we meet next time, bye bye.